What's up, guys? Uni here with Soho Motorsports, and today I'm here to introduce to you guys our new lineup of force induction kits for the HR/VHR Nissan Infiniti platform. So you guys already know about our V2 air-to-air Supercharger kit featuring that beautiful Soho aluminum manifold with the filter option. We also understand not everyone wants to run over 20 pounds of boost and maybe just needs the essentials. What if I told you we have a brand new air-to-air Supercharger kit capable of over 500 wheel horsepower under 6 grand that not only works with your stock motor, but also your stock intake manifold. We're proud to present our brand new air-to-air V2 Lyte kit designed to work with the HR, VHR, and Soho intake manifold. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. For more details, hit the link below in the description, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.